Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. I am Payal Monga, your EVS teacher, and today I will tell you that how you will maintain your fair notebook of EVS. And today we are also going to do the bookwork and the question answers of chapter number 5, Chotu's House. So kids, this is your fair notebook of EVS and the color of notebook is grey. Okay. This is your index and how you will maintain the index. So first of all, serial number. Here you will write the serial number. After that, date. In this part you will write date, topic, chapter's name. Today we are going to do the question answers of Chotu's House. Page number 1. Okay. Okay kids, let's start. First of all, write the date here. After that, page number, that is 1. So we are going to do the chapter number 5, Chotu's House. So let's start the question answers. Question number 1. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? And the answer is, Chotu thought that he can get shelter there. Okay. So after one question, you have to drop one line. Then start next question. Question number 2. How did Chotu use the pipe? Chotu used that pipe as his home. Okay. So in your EVS notebook, one side is plain and one side is with lines. Okay. So next question. Question number 3 is, into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? So the answer is, he divided it into number 1, sleeping area, cooking area, cloth drying area, water storage area and guest sitting area. Okay. Next question. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? And the answer is, Chotu would like to spend most of his time at the part where guests can come and sit. So that was his favorite part of the house. Okay. Question number 5. Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? So the answer is, Chotu invited Monu to live with him because Monu had no place to live. Okay. So next question. Question number 6. How much time in a day do you spend in each part of your house? Answer is, bedroom 8 hours, study room 4 hours, living room 1 hour, kitchen half hour and bathroom half hour. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Is there any part of your house where one particular member of your family spends more time? And the answer is, yes, my mother spends more time in kitchen. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Is there any part of your house where a particular family member never goes or goes for a short time? And the answer is, my father goes to the kitchen for a very short time. Okay. Question number 9. Who all help to keep your house clean? And the answer is, all my family members help to keep the house clean. Question number 10. Where do you go to freshen up in the morning? And the answer is, I go to the toilet. Next question is question number 11. Where do you throw the garbage of your house? We throw the garbage in the garbage bin. Okay. So where we throw the garbage? We throw the garbage in the garbage bin. Question number 12. Is the area around your house clean? Yes. The area around my house is clean. Okay. Question number 13. Do you use a toilet in or around your house? Answer is I use a toilet in my house. Question number 14. Who cleans it? That means who cleans the toilet in your house? And the answer is my parents clean it. Question number 15. How do you help in keeping it clean? Answer is by making sure that it is clean after I use it. Okay. Question number 16. Describe the toilet area in your school. Is it clean? And the answer is toilet area is clean in my school. Question number 17. Who clean it and how? That means who clean the toilet in your school and how? Answer is sweeper clean it by using brush and some chemical. Question number 18. How do you help in it? That means how do you help in keeping the school toilet clean? The answer is I always flush after using the toilet. Question number 19. Do you leave the toilet as clean as you want it for yourself? Answer is yes. Question number 20. And list the times you wash hands. And the answer is I wash my hands after using toilet, before eating anything, after playing, and after coming from outside. Okay. So these are the question answers of chapter number 5, Chotu's house. And some of the question answers we will do in our book. Okay. And on one page you have to draw the picture of your house. Okay. Something like this. So at the end of the video, I will attach the screenshots of these question answer so you can write in your notebook. Okay. So kids, this is your EVS book and the name of book is Looking Around, and this is the cover page. Okay. And now we are going to do the bookwork of chapter number 5, Chotu's house. So answer these questions. Who all live with you in your house? So here you will write mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather or grandmother. Here you will write your family members, okay, who live with you in your house. After this, Chotu divided the pipe into different parts. Write the names of the different parts of your house. Here you can write bedroom, living room, kitchen, study room and bathroom. And you can write the different parts that are in your house. Okay. After this, draw pictures of any two animals that live in our house uninvited. Write their names below in the pictures. So here you will draw the two animals that live with you in your house but they are uninvited. Okay, like rat, cockroach, housefly, lizards. So you have to draw the two pictures here. Okay, and here you will write their names. Okay. After this, do you keep your house clean? How? And the answer is I keep my house clean by keeping the things at place and throwing the waste in dustbin. Okay. So now here on the page number 36, read this. When all do you need to keep yourself clean? Bathing and brushing teeth, clipping the nails regularly. And the answer is we always need to keep ourselves clean. And what will happen if we do not do the above? What will happen if we do not bath or brushing teeth daily, clipping the nails regularly? What will happen if you do not do these things? We will get many diseases. The answer is we will get many diseases. Okay. After this, look how beautifully Lata's house is decorated. This is Lata's house and it is beautifully decorated. Okay. Is there any special way in which you decorate your house? When and how? And the answer is yes, We decorate our house in Diwali. We decorate it with lights, candles and flowers. Okay? After this, name the things with which you decorate your house. We decorate our house with flowers, paintings, flower pots and lights. Okay? So your bookwork of chapter number 5, Chotu's house, is done here.